forces. Let's get into it with our essential questions.
Now, let's talk about our essential question. Remember, essential questions in science and in different lessons can help us think about what we already know about a topic, and it helps us connect to new ideas that we're going to learn today to help us produce a new thought about the topic. Our essential questions will be focused on our different science topics. So look for keywords. In those keywords, the minute you see them and recognize them, I want you to think, what do I already know about this topic? Once you have that in your mind, you want to look at the question again to see what we're trying to answer today or what are we trying to answer about that topic. It's important to remember that an essential question is like a goal as well. By the end of our science lesson, you should confidently be able to answer the essential question. Let's go over our essential question for today.
Pause the video and read the essential questions now as a class. For our warm-up activity today, we'll be playing the game Who Am I? The instructions are on the board. Pause the video now and read through the instructions. Go through a practice round with a partner and then play the actual rounds through for about 5 minutes, switching back and forth between who is the partner with the index card and who is the partner guessing. Then, when you have finished playing, come back and play the video. You'll need your whiteboard as we complete the next activity. We are going to be doing the first part of the closing in on science activity together in this video before you work on it with your class and with a partner. After we complete the closing activity, we'll be taking the end of unit assessment where you'll get to show what you know about Earth's forces. For the closing in on science activity, there are 3 key concepts. Let's look at key concept number 1. Read the key concept with me. Large forces can change Earth's surface rapidly. Nice job. For each of these, the key concept will be listed. That's an important thing that helps us identify what we were trying to learn throughout this unit. It's important to remember those. In the first section of each of the key concepts, there is a passage with drop-down options. Each of those drop-down options provides you with a mini word blank to select from specific options that fit into the paragraph. Each of the paragraphs will relate to the key concepts, and the words are only used once, so they don't repeat themselves. After you do the fill in the blank, next would be to create a specific illustration that is instructed on the screen. Before we look at the illustration, let's quickly look at this first example. If I was using the words in the word bank to fill in the 3 missing words here, the first sentence says Earth's blank is made up of rocks and soil, among other things. It's either Earth's large, Earth's rapid, or Earth's surface. Even if I wasn't sure of the answer, I could use process of elimination because surface is the only one that sounds right here, but it's also the correct answer. Earth's surface is made up of rocks and soil. I would choose the select down menu to select surface, or if I was writing in my answer, I would write surface and cross it off in my word bank. The next sentence says, changes to Earth occurs because of the blank forces found both inside the planet and on the surface. If I wasn't sure what to put for this one, let's look at the next sentence to see what it says. Blank or quick changes can occur to Earth within minutes or even seconds. Looking at this third sentence, it says blank or quick, which means or quick is describing the word that's missing, and or quick describes rapid more than it describes large. So in our third sentence, we'll put rapid in our drop-down choice or select it from our word bank and cross it off. And for our last one, if we weren't sure, by process of elimination, it would be large, but let's read the sentence to see if it makes sense. Changes to Earth occurs because of the large forces found both inside the planet and on the surface. That definitely makes sense. Even though we finished filling in the blanks, let's finish reading the paragraph. It's always important just so we don't miss anything important. What changes have you seen in your area or in the news around the world? Have you seen or heard news of powerful events that have changed the land in a short period of time? Nice job filling in these blanks of the passage, scientists. Now, it's your turn as a class. You're going to go through the next two key concepts together. Your teacher will call on someone to read the sentence. If you come across one of the places with a drop down menu or blank, just say blank and finish the reading and finish the sentence just like I did in this example. After you finish the sentence, your teacher will give you a few seconds to write which option you think is best on your whiteboards and hold it up. Then you'll go through and talk about what the correct answer is or why you chose the specific answers that you did. After that, scientist, you are going to put your knowledge to the test and show what you know in that final assessment. Good luck, and I'll see you guys soon.